It's fall, and nothing hits like an abuelita hot cocoa. I have 2 tablets left, and I have 5 people coming over. That's 6 people total. The question is, will 2 tablets be enough to make hot cocoa for everyone? Will I be able to fill up 6 cups of hot cocoa for all my friends? Each abuelito tablet makes 4 cups, so 2 tablets equals 8 cups total. Since there are 6 of us, we divide 8 cups by 6 people. That's 1 1/3 cups each. All right, it's done. Now it's time to pour. Math is everywhere, even in your hot cocoa. Now it's time to enjoy.